Hi, I'm Ahmed Saeed. I'm from Egypt. Currently, I'm a student at Mechatronics Department at Faculty of Engineering, Mansoura University. Also, a 3D Experience Edu champion, Mansoura SWUGN leader, and last 10 years SolidWorks user now. And today I'm sharing with you my last project, topology optimization for ARM robot. Here is the story behind. When we finished designing our ARM robot, we found that the motor can't handle the weight. So we need to minimize the weight of the ARM robot without sacrificing the strength of the part, of course. Here is where the topology optimization play its important role. I will talk now about how we can set up the topology optimization simulation in SolidWorks. First of all, we need to apply material, aluminum for our case. After we setting our material, we need to set the load. In this part, we put 100 Newton force on this side, and the other side we fix it to test the bending stresses. After that, we refine the mesh for this model, and then keep preserve the regions important to me. Then run this study. After that, SolidWorks tell me exactly where the part, where the unnecessary part, where the part I can remove, where the part I can remove, and etc. Topology optimization is not only a tool, it's opening a new horizon for engineer because it improves product life cycle, it reduce cost, reduce mass, it's unlocking a new potential, unlocking method of manufacturing like 3D printing. Topology optimization is important for all engineers. I use SolidWorks and the 3D Experience platform to help me in this project because it give me a lot of tools, useful tools, and it helped me a lot. I use 3D Experience platform to design and assembly the part of this ARM robot. After that, I use SolidWorks simulation, topology static, and topology optimization to make the simulation on this part. After that, for final look, I use SolidWorks Visualize to give me the finished or the rendered photo of this model. SolidWorks optimization is not only a tool, it's a game changer. It's important for every engineer. It push our boundaries, support us in our models. It's not a fun case or a fun design. It's my duty as 3D Experience Edu champion to simplify and help my colleagues and share the knowledge and share new skills from a community to help each other to improve ourselves. Let's keep pushing the boundaries, innovate, and keep sharing knowledge together.